I want to start by saying that I am not a pro. I am not really familiar with UVA Online Judge, to be honest. But the problem is, all the things you could find, at least on YouTube, they they're so old. Like and so they just didn't give me enough guidance to how to use online judge at the time. And so I kind of had to went through my own hassle to understand online judge right now. And it has definitely an older system than, say, LeetCode. LeetCode is just a lot more friendly, and if you search YouTube for how to do LeetCode, look at that. Just so many, 13 hours ago. So many resources. 6 years ago. Okay, so I'm sorry it took a little while. Let's just jump right in. How you should, as a beginner, use online judge. So, first things first, you don't have this yet. So you click on this register button, you probably know. And I believe in you. I believe that you have enough brain cells. So just fill out these things, these 5 things. Remember to click on this CAPTCHA, press this register button. You know how to do this. Alright, so now that you are done, you could just fill out your username, your password, and click on remember me because you want it to remember you. Now here's the important thing. You're inside of Online Judge. You are now here to solve questions. What you do is you do not click on browse problems. No. You click on this button here, UVa Hunting. And now you enter your username, submit. And now this is what you want. So it also gave out my real name. But here's the thing. This is where you get, I believe, the best version of a problem set. Like, look at this. It tells you everything so clearly. The browse problems section for me is just a bit overwhelming. Like, there's just so much, and it's layer after layer after layer after layer after layer. And even when you get there, you kind of don't know what it's asking right away. So I personally don't like it as much. And then one very important thing. So let's go here. And I recently did this just to test. This is a problem. And then what you do, you click on submit, and unlike, say, LeetCode, you have to have your own, say, VS Code, your own, so I'm saying VS Code, Vim, an IDE of some sort to write out your code. Remember to save, and then you submit. Choose file. But here's the thing. Here's something that made me really confused. It says submission received with ID. That is all it tells you. It does not tell you if it was accepted or it was a wrong answer or anything. It does not tell you that, unlike LeetCode. So you have to go back to UHunt, this thing, to check yes this is indeed an accepted answer. So unlike LeetCode, you actually have to go to a completely different place to look at whether or not your submission is accepted. You can also look at it from here, of course. But yeah, it's if you do not know that you have to go to UHunt, things will get a lot more difficult for you because you're gonna have a headache over what the frick this is. But that's it. That's really all there is to it, and I will talk about how to take care of inputs for Python users because I don't know other languages in the future. But I will not take any more of your time, and thank you, and I will see you maybe in a future video.